I usually find myself on the weekend trying to figure out how to use the dot product with vectors. It's pretty straightforward. So this is u1 and this is u2. This is v1 and this is v2. So the dot product is u dot v, which equals u1 v1 plus u2 v2. So that means u dot v would be u1, which is 2, v1, which is minus 2, plus u2, which is 1, and v2, which is 4. So this is then going to be minus 4 plus 4, which equals 0. Nice and easy. What if you're working in 3D space? So it's exactly the same. You've got u1, u2, u3, v1, v2, and v3. We now have u dot v, which is the same as u1, v1, plus u2, v2, plus u3, v3. So let's plug it all in. So you're going to get 3, 2, plus 1, plus 2, so that's 3, 2, 1, 2, and then minus 1 and minus 4. So minus 1, minus 4, which is going to be 6 plus 2 plus 4, which is 12. You've just used the dot product.